Okay, this is a demo of how to install the swivel sweeper version G6. Okay, comes with a manual and all the tools. So this is a small brush to remove the hair that starts on the brush later on. Okay, so it comes with a charger head, and this is the battery. So default there's left a bit of that inside for you to do a testing lah. After that, you can actually charge for 8 hours before you really start using. So follow the arrow, plug in as a 2-pin. So just charge for first 8 hours. Okay, for now, okay, we try to use this first. How will you install? Follow the arrow. There's an arrow here. Just slide in. This is the holder for this. Okay. It's actually like a magic clean, but in a automated form. So it's very small, very light actually. Easy for daily use. You can just park one side, and anytime you think your floor is dirty, you can just turn it on. For a charge of 8 hours, the bat can last for about 30 to 45 minutes. It seems to be short, but actually you don't need that much of you don't actually need so long to clean the whole house. Usually it takes about 15 minutes the most to clean a 4-room flat. So it actually lasts good enough for about 3-4 times before you need to charge again. Okay, so this is how it works. This is the turn on button. Okay. So it's very smooth. Okay, I show you some examples of how this is a very light dirt lah, so it may fly a bit, but usually your hair or the papers on the floor will be easily picked up. See, you can actually very smooth 360-degree hair. Usually you have to bend down, but this is very convenient. From here, there's a switch, just pull up. You can actually fold it down. Good for underneath the chair, underneath the tables.